sports fans, welcome back to Kimpton's Virtual Social Hour. I'm Mike Ryan, your director of bars. The Kentucky Derby has been postponed until September. It doesn't mean we can't enjoy a mint julep. It is springtime after all, despite all of the evidence to the contrary here in Chicago, where it's still fairly gray. You're going to need a couple of very simple ingredients. Grab yourself some mint and try to find some nice, beautiful, fresh mint sprigs. Throw those into your glass. If you've got a beautiful pewter mint julep cup, use that. If you have a rocks glass, you're good there too. A little bit of simple syrup, probably about 1/2 ounce or so. And you're going to need some bourbon. I like something that's about 100 proof plus. This is 107 proof. And this will stand up to all of the ice that we're going to add. It should be a very refreshing cocktail. Give yourself a couple of ounces of that. You don't need to measure. You're at home. And we're going to let that steep. If you have a muddler or a bar spoon, go ahead and do that. If all you've got is a chopstick, give the mint a little bit of love in there. Don't shred it, don't rip it, don't tear it. You don't want to make the mint all bitter. The next step, you're going to need some crushed ice. Since we don't have crushed ice maker, because we're not in a restaurant, we're going to make our own. Grab yourself a tea towel, throw the ice into the middle, fold it up. Grab a mallet or a rolling pin or a very robust bottle of wine, and go ahead and take your quarantine aggressions out on the ice. There we go. Nicely crushed. Next, we're just going to load the ice into your mint julep. When you're doing this in a restaurant, we'll use crushed ice or shaved ice if we can. So if you're doing this at home and you're not trying to make a very short video for Instagram, then go ahead and take your time crushing the ice up. Give it a little bit of a stir, all right? And help yourself to a whole bunch of mint that's got the tops and the stems attached. Slap the mint to wake it up a little bit. Goes right in the center there. And then finally, I like adding a little bit of powdered sugar on top. Just gives the mint a lovely frosted appearance. And that is a mint julep. Cheers.